Fujin New Yinjia Pump Company Limited was founded in 2015, headquartered in Fuan, Fujian. Since our establishment, we've been dedicated to the research, manufacturing, and distribution of various pumps and motors for global customers. We've got 5 standardized workshops, 6 automated production lines, and over 100 sets of advanced CNC machining. Our factory, covering 66,000 square meters and 147 employees. With such great strength, we can produce 600,000 sets annually. We've obtained many invention patents and utility model patents demonstrating our quality confidence. All of products go through a strict and multiple inspection process. We offer 2-year quality guarantee to customers. From foundry and machining to rotor die casting, motor winding, assembling, and finally delivery inspection, every step is carefully controlled. All our products comply with international standards such as CECB, RoHS, CCC, and also meet the requirements of the ISO 9001, 2015 management system. Our sales network has spread across Europe, America, the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia, and we've received high praise from customers everywhere. People at Yinjia always adhere to our enterprise spirit of integrity, innovation, beyond. We're committed to achieving our brand developing strategy, which focuses on cultural cohesion brand, effective develop brand science, and technology improve brand, and win-win sharing brand. We sincerely welcome you to visit us. We're looking forward to having a pleasant cooperation with you.